tell you, safety first. Let's do this countdown, baby. Let's do this countdown. Y'all know the business. Like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Y'all know brothers gotta do this. They make the brothers do that right there, though. Hey, man. Y'all gotta be safe out there for the 4th. I mean, we had a lot of situations that went on. And it was dry in the South, too. Y'all know how that shit went. I mean, we had major almost calamities. Look at this. You feel me? Come on now. Come on now. You gotta be safe. You know, back in the day, man, it was so fun. So much fun doing this crap. But now it just seems like everybody just trying to make a show. Trying to do it for the gram, do it for Facebook. You know, it's been so many injuries. You know, I mean, just check this shit out. Look at this pile. Sky. They thought it's done. No, nigga, pile. You know what I'm saying, man? You gotta be safe out there, homie. You gotta be safe. Motherfuckers getting their head blown off, arms blown off, all in the name of having fun. All in the name of having fun, you know. And don't get it twisted, you know, to the holidays, man, God, dog. You know, and the holidays, you gonna want, you know, precious memories, but not like this. That's kind of catastrophic. Wow. Nigga, ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. You see what I'm saying, man? You gotta count them motherfuckers. Look at this shit, man. This is freakish. Oh, god damn, boy. Boy, they gonna knock that old woman off her shit. Boom. Hey, but boy, these are epic, boy. Y'all can't be out here willy-nilly and, man, playing G.I. Joe. Man, this is like G.I. Joe out here. Oh, look, making my A, boy. That 5 make motherfuckers move, boy. Look at that shit. Get your ass out the way. Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, man. That's why you can't be showing out in fireworks. Y'all trying to, you know what I'm saying, buy the bag and try to show out for the old lady, man. It might end up being your life. And everybody else's life. I mean, but it's pretty to look at. But damn, boy, it's catastrophic, ain't it? Look at this shit. Ah! Don't look like it did nothing. God damn. That motherfucker did him dropping silent bombs. You see that? God damn. Boy. I mean, boy, but then again, you know, looking at this looks so cool. It looks cool on camera, but I can imagine going through it. It's pretty turbulent. It's very turbulent. You know, that's why safety is always first. And you see that shit, fires attacking back, boy. Them motherfuckers ain't got no eyes. No eyes. Pow. Yeah, you almost died. That shit, man, that shit is popping out every goddamn butt. I mean, it's beautiful to look at, y'all. Check them out. But shit, that motherfucker catch some smoke. Now that motherfucker on fire now, boy. Y'all better leave them fireworks alone. They got their phones out. Look at them, boy. These motherfuckers crazy. They crazy than the motherfucker, boy. Make you wonder. It makes you wonder, man. It's catastrophic, man. But it's a beautiful thing at the same time, you know. And you just want to have a good romantic time with the old lady and the family. You know, during the holidays, so-called holidays, because, you know, I don't even want to go there about independence and carrying on, but the lights, fireworks, hopefully if you're intimate enough, food, maybe later on with some sex, later on that night. You know, it's always good to please your mate too. Nice fireworks going on, you making love while the fireworks go on. Shit, yeah. Y'all know how I go. Beautiful, beautiful fireworks. God, that's a beautiful view right there. That is beautiful. They get down over there though. They get down. But like I said, you gotta be safe with the fireworks, man. Especially when you having children, babies around. You don't know the magnitude of the fireworks. You really don't. Once again, it's just beautiful to look at, you know? God, by me just doing this vid, y'all, and I'm not gonna lie to you, it got me in a trance itself. I was trying to go to sleep on the 4th of July to go to work, man, but I couldn't. You know, everybody outside was busting that thing, or either just busting firecrackers, you know? God, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, once again, like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. You'll be left in that loop. Thank you for taking your time out and sacrificing it and watching this video. You feel me? Be cautious. Be very cautious, especially if you got little ones around, concerning the fireworks. But it's your boy Musa, doing what it do. Peace and the Bala Haggis, people.